Time for some brown mulch, man. Oh yeah, look at that. See the steam coming out. Ooh, hi. All right. So I'll have to refresh this mulch right here. I trimmed these roses. I pruned them last week, I think. So we had the mulch. We got a big bed there. From bed. It's clean. And right here, it is clean. Looks good. That's all I gotta do. Start unloading it, put it in the wheelbarrow, and start putting new mulch. I'm gonna have to get the weed eater and weed eat around this. I'm gonna start on the sides first. All right, guys. So this is the after. It's empty. Look at this. Nice, beautiful, fresh mulch. Oh yeah. What do you guys think? All we gotta do is blow some of that with the blower inside, and it should be all good. But roses are pruned, looking good. Nice big bed. Yeah. And right here, these roses are pruned. Like I say, look at this. All the way to the back. Once the spring comes, this rose is gonna start blooming. Green leaves are gonna come out, and it's gonna look beautiful. Looking good, man. That was 3.5 yards of this nice brown mulch. It's fresh. Oh yeah, that's it, guys. Later.